No camera, no crew, no editing skills, just AI. And here's the thing that nobody in these YouTube videos is actually telling you. It's not about the tools, it's about knowing what to sell and who to sell it to. My name is Christine, and today I'm breaking down exactly how to make real, consistent money using AI plus the actual strategies to get started today. We're going to cover 3 specific income streams: AI video services, AI music, and the underground strategy that's making smart creators serious money right now. So stay till the end, because that last one is the one people don't talk about. Now let's get into it. So first, let me set the stage. Because if you've been on Instagram or X lately, you've seen it. AI video just had what people are calling its DeepSeek moment. In the last 30 days alone, we've seen Kling 3.0 drop from Kuaishou, which gives you native 4K video, multi-shot storytelling, character cloning, and built-in audio generation. Then Seedance 2.0 hit, that's ByteDance's model, and it literally caused a panic in Hollywood. Disney sent cease and desist letters. SAG-AFTRA came out condemning it. Why? Because someone recreated the most expensive shot from a 2025 blockbuster film for 9 cents. 9 cents. Now I'm not here to tell you to go recreate copyrighted IP. Don't do that. That's not the play. But what I am saying is that the technology has crossed a threshold. The gap between AI content and professional content has basically closed. And for you, as a creator or entrepreneur, that means the window to move fast and establish yourself is right now, not next year. Now, surprisingly, the AI video tools market hit $4.2 billion in 2025. It's projected to hit nearly $13 billion by 2027. Individual creators using AI are producing 5 to 10 times more content than they were a year ago. Now, the cost per video has dropped by 80 to 95% compared to traditional production. So the question is, where does your money come from in all of this? Let me show you. This is the most straightforward money move, and it's wild that more people aren't doing it at scale. Small businesses, restaurants, clothing brands, fitness coaches, real estate agents all need video content. And most of them can't even afford a video production agency. But they can afford you, especially when your cost to produce is basically zero. So here's the workflow I want you to understand. Step 1, a client sends you a product photo and a brief. Step 2, you open Kling 3.0 or Seedance 2.0. You upload the image, you write the prompt, you hit generate. Step 3, the AI creates a cinematic 4K 15-second video with motion, lighting, and even voiceover automatically. Step 4, you do a quick polish in CapCut, add captions, and export it. Step 5, you deliver. They're amazed, and they come back for more. The whole process takes about 30 to 45 minutes per video, and you can charge $150 to $500 per clip, depending on the complexity. In fact, some agencies are charging $2,000 for a 5-clip package for a restaurant launch. And guess what? That used to require a camera, a crew, 2 days of shooting. Now it's one person, one laptop thing. The second play is building a faceless channel using AI-generated content. This is a very broad one, but I will keep it simple. So I was on Instagram the other day, scrolling like everyone else, and I kept stopping, not because of someone's face, not because of some celebrity. I kept stopping because of stories, historical stories, ancient civilizations, forgotten wars, lost empires, even conspiracy theories with visual evidence, and all of that. And these accounts, they are fully faceless the whole time, not one face, not one person in front of a camera, just AI-generated visuals, a voiceover, and a story that people couldn't stop watching. Let me show you some real accounts so you can see exactly what I mean. Look at this one, at Sicily Ancient History. This account dives into the history of ancient Sicily, AI-generated visuals, narrated history, storytelling. They've built 102,000 followers from just 251 posts. That's 1,684 followers per post on average, without showing a single face, without going live. Or look at this, guys, which covers fascinating facts across history and culture. Their shares are crazy, and that's the psychology at work here. When content teaches you something you didn't know, you want to share it. You want to look smart. You want to be the person who sent it. Now here's where this becomes a real business, not just a hobby. According to Instagram's own data, faceless accounts often perform strongly across diverse audiences because the focus stays on the content. There's less distraction, less bias. People engage with the message. And why does storytelling and history work so well? Think about why Netflix is worth hundreds of billions of dollars. It's not just the technology, it's the stories. Human beings are wired for narrative. Our brains process stories differently from isolated facts. We feel emotion, we engage empathy, and we remember. A dry fact disappears, but a story about Adolf Hitler of Germany making catastrophic decisions that led to devastation across Europe, that stays with you, right? And you are most likely going to share and save it. And that's what the algorithm rewards: saves and shares, not just likes and views. When someone saves your reel, Instagram says, this content is valuable. Push it to more people. When someone shares it to their story or sends it to a friend in DMs, Instagram says this content is engaging. Push it harder. Now, storytelling content, especially history, mystery, and discovery content, triggers saves and shares at a rate that lifestyle content almost never does. So let me be direct with you about something. A lot of people say start a faceless YouTube channel. Of course, YouTube is great for long-term passive income, but the fastest way to build an audience right now is Instagram Reels. And here's why. On Instagram, a brand new account with 0 followers can post a reel on a Monday and have 200,000 views by Wednesday. I've seen it happen. The algorithm doesn't care how old your account is. It cares about one thing. Does this content make people stop, watch, and engage? If yes, it pushes it. Full stop. So the strategy is Instagram first, and remember, Facebook and IG are one. So build your audience there. Then repurpose everything to YouTube Shorts and TikTok. One piece of content becomes 3. Let me know if you'd like a detailed video tutorial on how to create a faceless Instagram channel. Simply comment faceless channel. The third angle of AI video is the talking head avatar model. Tools like HeyGen allow you to create a digital avatar, either a realistic version of yourself or a completely original AI character that can speak in your voice in multiple languages. Imagine this: you're an educator teaching a specialized course like ACCA. You want to sell video tutorials online, but you don't want to appear on camera. The AI talking head avatar becomes your bridge. You record your lesson once. Your avatar presents it. It speaks in your voice without you ever stepping in front of a camera. Then it automatically dubs your content into multiple languages, allowing students worldwide to access the same high-quality lesson. No studio, no complex production setup. And this isn't limited to educators. Coaches, content creators, course creators, and corporate trainers are already using AI avatars to produce multilingual training content without re-recording sessions. One fitness coach reportedly generates $3,000 per month in sponsorships simply by distributing AI-dubbed tips in 10 different languages. That's one piece of content multiplied into a global audience. Now, let's talk about AI music, and I want to be real with you here because this space has a lot of noise. There are tools like Tuni, Freebeat, Suno, and others that let you generate full songs from a text prompt in seconds. And people are using this to make money in several specific ways. Meet Aksonia Monet. She's an AI-powered R&B singer who's taking the music world by storm. With a multi-million-dollar record deal valued up to $3 million, she's already making waves on the charts. Her hit tracks, including How Was I Supposed to Know and Let Go, Let God. Aksonia Monet isn't just a digital singer. She's redefining the future of music. But here's the twist. She doesn't perform live, doesn't appear on camera, and the vocals entirely AI-assisted. Now, while some call it the future of music, others say it's a slap in the face to human artists. And yet, when you scroll her Instagram stories, you see her fans connecting deeply with the lyrics. That tells you something important. Her songs capture real struggles and emotions, and listeners are loving it. This proves that even AI-generated music can move the soul, sending a clear message to human artists. Now here's where it gets practical. There are plenty of AI music channels on YouTube doing extremely well, and even monetizing. Take a look at what's working and learn from them. With your AI-generated music, you can start earning by selling royalty-free music licenses on platforms like Upbeat and others. If you're just getting started, you only need these 2 AI tools to kick off. Okay, this is the part I promised you. The angle that most people making AI content videos completely skip over. Everyone tells you to start a channel or sell on Fiverr. That's fine. But here's the actual funnel that's working right now. You post AI-generated content on Instagram Reels and TikTok, not to go viral, but to demonstrate your skill. You're showing businesses what's possible. You caption it. I made this product ad in 25 minutes with AI. People see it, they DM you, you close them. You're not paying for ads. You're not cold emailing. The content is the pitch. The content is your portfolio and your sales funnel at the same time. The final angle is teaching. Once you've developed a proven workflow that consistently delivers results for clients, you can turn that knowledge into products. That could be a mini course, a paid newsletter, a mentorship program, or even sponsored content on YouTube. People aren't confused about whether AI exists. They're confused about how to use it in a practical way that actually benefits them. If you can bridge that gap, if you can show them how to apply AI to solve real problems, they will gladly pay. Right now, you could start a YouTube channel teaching people how to use AI effectively, just like many creators are doing. AI is trending, demand is high, and audiences are actively looking for actionable instruction. This is how many YouTubers are monetizing AI content. They offer one-on-one mentorship programs, paid communities like school memberships, structured courses, and premium resources. On top of that, they secure sponsorships from AI tool companies. This has become a scalable business. Here's the thing I want you to take away from this video. The tools are not the barrier anymore, and in some cases, they're better than traditional production. What separates the people making money from the people just watching videos like this is one thing. They start, they pick one income stream, and they move. So I want you to do something right now. In the comments below, tell me, what niche are you going to go after? AI product ads? Music? Faceless YouTube? Drop it in the comments. I read every single one. And if I see a niche that I think has massive potential and nobody's doing it, I'll call it out and give you free strategy. So if this video gave you value, please give it a like, and I'll see you in the next one.